Clear text from textarea with Selenium. I've got some tests where I'm checking that the proper error message appears when text in certain fields are invalid. One check for validity is that a certain textarea element is not empty. If this textarea already has text in it, how can I tell Selenium to clear the field? Something like,
Option A. If you want to ensure keyboard events are fired, consider using senkeys char sequence. Example 1. Example 2. Web element. There are many ways to get the required web element. For example, driver.find_element_by_i.d, driver.find_element_by_path, driver.find_element. Option B. If this element is a text entry element, this will clear the value. Note that the events fired by this event may not be as you'd expect. In particular, we don't fire any keyboard or mouse events.
I ran into a field where clear did not work. Using a combination of the first two answers worked for this field.
In the most recent Selenium version, use